If you watch enough YouTube, you have probably seen an ad promising that buying a VPN will make you a ghost on the internet, hiding your data from hackers, governments, and even your internet service provider. But in the security engineering world, we know that anonymity and privacy are two very different things. Throwing a VPN at a problem without understanding network routing is like putting a heavy steel door on a house made of glass. Welcome to Decoded Security. Today we are breaking down the three most confused tools in the network privacy, that is proxies, VPNs, and Tor. To understand the tools, we first need to look at the normal internet traffic. Without any protection, sending data across the internet is like sending a postcard through the mail. Your internet service provider has to carry the postcard, which means they can read exactly what you wrote and see exactly who you are sending it to. So let's talk about proxy. Let's say you want to read an article that is blocked in your country specifically. You might use a proxy. A proxy is just a middleman server. Imagine giving your postcard to an intern who then walks over to the destination and hand it in. The website thinks the intern sent the message, so your IP address is hidden from the destination. But here's the catch. A standard proxy does not encrypt anything. The data is still a postcard. Your ISP, that is Internet Service Provider, or anyone sitting on the local coffee shop Wi-Fi can still read every single word you are sending to that proxy. It's great for getting around basic geo blocks, but it provides zero actual security. That brings us to the VPNs, or virtual private networks. A VPN acts as a middleman too, but it adds a crucial step, and that is encryption. It takes your postcards and locks it in a steel briefcase before handing it to your ISP. Your ISP can see that you are sending a heavy briefcase to a VPN company, but they have absolutely no idea what is inside it. And this is armored tunnel. But here's the part commercial always leave out. Once the briefcase reaches the VPN server, they unlocks it to send your request to the actual website. And this means the VPN company can see everything. You haven't made your data invisible, but you have just shifted your trust from internet service provider to your VPN provider. You are hoping that VPN company isn't logging your data because they absolutely have the technical ability to do so. And if a VPN is an armored tunnel, Tor is a maze. Tor stands for the onion router. Instead of trusting one single VPN company, Tor encrypts your data in multiple layers, like an onion, and bounce it through at least 3 random volunteer-run servers around the world. The first node knows who you are, but not what the message is. The middle node has no idea who you are or where is it going. The final exit node knows the message, but has absolutely no idea who originally sent it. No single point in the chain has the full picture, and this provides true mathematical anonymity. But because your data is bouncing all over the globe, it is incredibly slow. And in the end, it all comes down to your threat model. If you just want to watch a geo-blocked video, use a proxy. If you are on a public airport Wi-Fi and want to stop hackers from seeing your banking traffic, use a VPN. But if you are a journalist in a heavy monitored regime and need absolute anonymity, Tor is the only tool for the job. And let me know in the comments if you need such easy explanation to any of the topics related to security and privacy. And remember, we'll keep it simple.